Hello everyone. Today I am going to present my minor project, which is of the electric vehicle, and the project name is designing and the implementation of smart charging mat. And this is the block diagram of our prototype. So first is there are the two main sides, that is the transmitter side and the receiver side. Transmitter side will be placed, it is of the charging mat, and the receiver side is of the e-bike side. So first, on the transmitter side, so the system start with the 230 voltage AC mains supply from the electrical grid, and this is the standard household electricity supply. Since this voltage is too high for the battery charging, so we need it must be converted into the suitable form. So for that we will use the step down transformer, which will reduce the main voltage from 230 volts to 24 volts, and which will make suitable for the further processing. Then the rectifier. So the rectifier converts the alternating current into the DC current. As the AC cannot directly charge a battery, DC is required for the inverter stage, and therefore the rectifier is needed for conversion of AC to the DC for the because the battery will get the direct current. And then the filter capacitor. So the output from the rectifier contains the ripples. So the capacitor smooth these ripples and provide a stable DC output. And stable DC improves the efficiency and also the protects our electronic component. Then we will use the high frequency inverter. So now the inverter converts the DC into high frequency AC, as the high frequency current generates a stronger alternative magnetic field, and for the changing magnetic fields we require the high frequency AC. So we will use the high frequency inverter for the DC to high frequency AC. Then the transmitter coil. As the high frequency current flows through the transmitter coil, then this coil generates a changing magnetic field around it, and the magnetic field carries the energy wirelessly to the receiver coil. Then this power will be transmitted from transmitter coil to the receiver coil, and on the receiver side, the receiver coil captures the magnetic field due to the magnetic induction, and the AC voltage is induced in the coil. Then on the receiver rectifier, as we have the AC output, so by using the receiver rectifier, the AC is converted into the DC, as the battery requires DC charging. So conversion is needed. Then as if the DC output contains any ripples, then it will be removed using the filter, and the voltage will be used to ensure the safely voltage fluctuation and the safe charging. Then the BMS. So BMS stands for the battery management system, in which it monitors the voltage, current, temperature, and battery health, and it prevents our battery from the overcharging, overheating, and the deep discharging, which will improve the battery life. And then the finally regulated DC power charges the e-bikes battery, and the stored energy is later used to run the electric motor. So in this way, the whole our prototype our system is going to work from supply to the actual charging of the battery for the efficient and to reduce the manual plug-in charging problem. Thank you.